Ever tried stuffing a full-size pistol into your waistband on a hot summer day? Yeah, me neither. But some folks are still out here carrying steel like they're auditioning for the next John Wick sequel. Let's be real, bigger isn't always better, especially when your shirt's tighter than your budget. And that's where the 380 ACP steps in. Light, compact, and seriously underrated, modern. 380s have leveled up. We're talking better capacity, softer recoil, and real-world reliability in packages so small they practically vanish. So today, we're flipping the script on the Nyman hype and spotlighting some of the slickest 380 carry guns that just might deserve a permanent spot in your EDC rotation. Whether you're a seasoned carrier or just getting into the game, these pistols bring more than just pocket power. Let's get into it. Kicking things off strong with the Walther PD380, a newcomer that's smooth, smart, and stupid easy to run. Walther designed this one for folks who don't want to wrestle their gun, just to rack the slide. And they nailed it. We're talking about a double-action, single-action hammer-fired pistol that feels more like a handshake than a fistfight. Chambered in 380 ACP with a 9-round capacity, it's compact but not cramped. And the slide? One finger easy. That alone makes it a game changer for newer shooters or anyone with less hand strength. In double action, the trigger pull is steady and predictable. Switch to single action and it breaks crisp like morning toast. Recoil is almost non-existent, so your follow-up shots stay fast and tight. Controls are friendly, 2 ambidextrous safety and paddle-style mag release. No overcomplications. Price-wise, you're looking at around $450, give or take. Not dirt cheap, but you're paying for comfort and quality. If you're after something soft shooting, confidence boosting, and built for everyday practicality, the PD380 might just be the most slept-on carry gun of the year. Next up, Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0, and this ain't just a new coat of paint. This is a full-blown upgrade that takes a meh pocket pistol and turns it into something worth betting your life on. Out with the old double-action trigger, in with a striker-fired system and a flat-faced trigger that breaks clean at about 4 pounds. Translation? Way better control and tighter groups. The grip's been redesigned too, with aggressive texturing that stays grippy even when your palms are sweaty or you're burning through drills. And here's the kicker. It's still under 15 ounces loaded, just 5.5 inches long, and comes with a 10-round mag plus an optional 12-rounder. That's serious capacity in a package that practically vanishes in your waistband. Sight's got a nice glow up too high. Viz front, blackout rear, fast on target, and quick to draw. Downsides? Sure. The slide can be stiff out of the box, and that trigger safety might rub your finger raw if you're doing long sessions. Plus, it can be picky with ammo until it's broken in. But give it a couple hundred rounds, and it runs like a champ. Price hovers around $400, and for what you're getting, that's a solid deal. The Bodyguard 2.0 is mission-ready and made to be carried, not coddled. Coming in hot with style and swagger is the Kimber Micro 380, a gun that looks like it belongs in a tuxedo, but hits like it means business. This little beauty borrows heavily from the 1911 DNA and brings that premium feel to a pint-sized frame. We're talking aluminum construction, single-action trigger, manual thumb safety, and that classic 1911 ergonomics all wrapped up in under 6 inches of sleek steel. It weighs around 13.4 ounces unloaded, which puts it right in that sweet spot between comfort and control. Trigger pull is crisp, predictable, and honestly one of the best in the Micro 380 game. You've also got finish options ranging from stainless to full-on rose gold if you want something a little more showstopper. Now, it's not all shine and glory. With only a 6+1 capacity and a grip that might leave your pinky hanging, it's not made for extended engagements. Plus, it needs a proper break-in and likes high-quality ammo. But let's not kid ourselves, this isn't built for war. It's built for classy, confident, concealed carry. Price lands around $600, so yeah, you're paying a little extra. But if you're the type who wants refinement without sacrificing performance, the Kimber Micro 380 walks the walk. Now, if you've ever thought, I just want a gun that doesn't fight me every time I try to use it, then let me introduce you to the Smith & Wesson Shield EZ 380. This one was built for ease, easy to rack, easy to shoot, easy to carry, and spoiler alert, it delivers. The slide is smoother than butter, seriously. It racks easier than pretty much anything else in its class, making it perfect for new shooters, seniors, or anyone with reduced hand strength. The grip safety adds a layer of confidence without being annoying, and the optional manual thumb safety is there if you like extra peace of mind. Triggers light and clean, and the full hand grip means no dangling pinkies trying to hang on for dear life. You get 8+1 capacity, which is solid for this size, and at 18.5 ounces unloaded, it's light but still has enough weight to tame that 380 snap. The recoil? Soft. Real soft. You can run mags through it all day without your hand feeling like it got in a fight with a jackhammer. Field stripping is painless too. No tools, no drama. Now, it's not the smallest or the sleekest on this list, but when it comes to pure user-friendliness and all-day carry comfort, the Shield EZ 380 hits different. You'll find it priced around $400, give or take. It's not flashy, but it's dependable, and sometimes that's exactly what you need. If your carry style is more disappear and forget it's there, then the Kahr CW380 is your ace in the hole. This thing is smaller than most smartphones and lighter than your wallet after range day, just 10.2 ounces, unloaded and under 5 inches long. It's not here to impress at the range, it's here to vanish in a pocket, ankle rig, or deep carry holster and show up only when it absolutely has to. The double action only trigger is classic Kahr, long, smooth, and deliberate. It takes some getting used to, but once you're in rhythm, it's surprisingly accurate for such a tiny piece. One standout feature? It actually locks open on the last round, something rare in this size class. Build quality is legit too. Stainless slide, polymer frame, decent sights, and a no-nonsense attitude. Downsides? Sure. It's snappy because physics. The slide is a little stiff out of the box, and it prefers quality ammo. Kahr even recommends a 200-round break-in, but once it's there, it runs like a sewing machine. Price? Around $300, which makes it one of the most affordable options on this list. The CW380 doesn't try to be fancy, it just works. And for ultra-concealed carry, that's exactly what matters. Now, for those of you who want your 380 to feel less like a toy and more like a real-deal shooter, meet the Walther PK380. This one doesn't try to be the tiniest on the block, it leans into size and comfort, and honestly, it pays off big time. Just over 6.5 inches long and around 18 ounces unloaded, the PK380 gives you a full-size feel with micro-caliber recoil. That makes it a dream to shoot, especially if you're tired of getting slapped around by snappy pocket pistols. The blowback action is smooth, and the extra barrel length helps keep that recoil soft and the muzzle flip low. Trigger setup is decé, so your first pull is longer, but follow-ups are crisp and short. Controls are ambidextrous, the grip is ergonomic, and the slide is one of the easiest to rack in this size range. It's user-friendly without being basic. Now, the Euro-style mag release on the trigger guard might throw you at first, and takedown requires using the manual safety, which is kind of clunky if you're used to striker-fired simplicity. But once you get used to it, it's smooth sailing. Price-wise, the PK380 usually lands around $400 to $450. It's not built for deep concealment, but if you want a soft shooting, confidence building 380 with real comfort and control, the PK380 is one of the most underrated gems out there. So there you have it. Best 380 concealed carry pistols stepping into 2025 with something to prove. Whether you're all about ultra-slim profiles, soft recoil, classic styling, or big capacity in a small frame, there's something on this list with your name on it. Look, 380 ACP isn't just a backup round anymore. With today's advancements in design, performance, and ammo, it's become a legit EDC option for real-world self-defense. What matters most is finding the gun that fits your hand, your holster, and your lifestyle. These picks? They all deliver where it counts. If this breakdown helped you out or gave you something new to think about, hit that like button. Subscribe for more real-world reviews, and drop your favorite 380 down in the comments. Got a question or think we missed a sleeper hit? Let's talk about it. Until next time, stay sharp, stay safe, and as always,
tiny
lock
little pocket
and
pistol that holds
load.
6 rounds in the magazine, 1 in the chamber for 7 rounds. You can actually